Rahubat Moisar Hotep Wu Ashuk Likum. Today I'm diving deep into one of the most intriguing mysteries of ancient Egypt UFOs. Yeah, you heard me right. Buckle up because we're about to explore the cosmic vibes and tribal dances of one of the most advanced civilizations in human history. First, let's talk about the Eye of Ra. This symbol isn't just a pretty piece of ancient art, it's packed with meaning. The Eye of Ra represented protection, royal power, and good health. But did you know some believe it's connected to extraterrestrial beings? Yup, there's a theory that the Eye of Ra was a way for ancient Egyptians to depict UFOs they might have encountered. Now, I know what you're thinking. UFOs in ancient Egypt? Is this for real? There are actually several hieroglyphics in ancient texts that make you wonder. Take the Thule Papyrus, for instance. This document, found in the 1930s, describes fiery discs flying in the sky over ancient Egypt around 1480 BC. Coincidence? Maybe. But it's enough to get the gears in your brain turning. Let's zoom out a bit. Picture this: the vast desert, the majestic pyramids reaching for the stars, and the night sky filled with twinkling cosmic bodies. Ancient Egyptians were master astronomers. They built the pyramids with such precision that they aligned perfectly with the Orion constellation. Could it be that their advanced knowledge of the stars came from out of this world? And then there's the dance. Tribal dances in ancient Egypt weren't just about celebration, they had deep cosmic significance. Some movements mimic the journey of celestial bodies. Imagine a dance ritual dedicated to beings from the stars, guiding them with rhythm and movement. Mind-blowing, right? But hold on, let's keep our feet on the ground for a second. Skeptics argue that these UFO sightings and cosmic connections are just myths or misinterpretations of natural phenomena. Fair point. But isn't it fascinating to ponder the possibilities? So the next time you gaze upon the pyramids or see the Eye of Ra, remember the cosmic vibes that could be woven into the fabric of ancient Egypt. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, the mystery of UFOs in ancient Egypt is a thrilling ride through history and beyond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending historical mysteries. Until next time, keep looking up.